Imagine you own a local bakery. You have the best cakes in town, your customers love your products, and your shop smells like a dream. But there's one problem: people are struggling to find your business online. When they search for best cakes near me or top bakeries in your city, your shop doesn't show up. Instead, larger chains or competitors with weaker products dominate the results. You might be wondering, why is that happening? The answer is simple: they are leveraging content marketing for local SEO, while you are not. Content marketing is the secret weapon that helps small businesses compete with bigger brands. It is no longer enough to just have a website or a Google My Business listing. You need to actively create content that speaks to your local audience, builds trust, and signals to search engines that your business is relevant and valuable. When you do this correctly, your business will not only rank higher in search results, but also establish a stronger connection with the community, making you the go-to choice for local customers. In this video, we are going to break down exactly how you can use content marketing to dominate local SEO. By the end, you will understand how to create powerful location-based blog content, engage with your audience using videos and images, harness the power of social media, use storytelling to build a trusted brand, and create community-driven content that turns your business into a household name in your area. And before we get started, if you really want to take your SEO career to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing courses via our website www.whattransformacademy.com and continue your journey to a high-paying SEO career. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert digital marketing content. Now let's get started. Creating location-based blog content that ranks. Let's go back to the bakery example. You have an amazing shop and people love your cakes, but if someone is searching for best birthday cakes in your city and your business isn't appearing in search results, you are losing potential customers every day. The solution is creating blog content that targets local search queries. Think about it this way: when people have a problem or need information, they turn to Google. Your job is to create content that answers their questions while strategically inserting local keywords that help your business appear in search results. For example, if you own a bakery in Chicago, instead of writing a generic article on how to make a birthday cake, you should focus on hyper-local content like top 5 birthday cake trends in Chicago this year, or where to find the best custom cakes in Chicago. These types of posts attract local customers who are actively searching for recommendations in your area. A company that is able to comprehend this idea and successfully implement it will always have a competitive advantage over rivals that do not pay attention to content marketing. Since Google places a high priority on material that is both fresh and valuable, as well as content that is specialized to a certain location, if your competitors are not utilizing this, you have a tremendous potential to dominate your local market. The power of videos and images for local engagement. Now let's talk about something even more powerful than written content: visual content. The internet has changed and people consume more videos and images than ever before. Studies show that videos can increase website traffic by over 150%, and businesses that use video content see higher engagement, more leads, and stronger brand recall. Think about your own experience. When you search for a local restaurant, would you rather read a long description of their food or watch a short, high-quality video showing the chef preparing their signature dish? Visual content brings businesses to life and makes them more relatable. If you are a local business owner, you should create videos that showcase your brand's services and customer experiences. These could include customer testimonials, behind-the-scenes videos, how-to tutorials related to your industry, or highlights of community events you participate in. Let's say you own a real estate agency. Instead of simply listing properties on your website, you can create short video tours of homes explaining why they are a great fit for local buyers. You can also feature testimonials from satisfied clients who found their dream home through your agency. This not only builds credibility, but also helps your website rank better in search results, since Google favors pages with high-quality video content. And it's not just videos; images also play a crucial role in local SEO. Having high-quality photos of your products, team, and storefront increases trust and engagement. Google also allows businesses to add images to their Google My Business listing, and businesses with professional, updated images get significantly more clicks than those without. So if you are not yet using visual content as part of your local SEO strategy, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to attract and engage customers. Now let's take this a step further. Did you know that businesses with high-quality videos are 53 times more likely to rank on the first page of Google? That is not just a slight advantage, it is a complete game changer. This is why video content isn't just an option anymore. It's a necessity for local SEO success. The good news? You don't need a fancy production team to make an impact. A simple, well-lit video taken on your smartphone, introducing your business, showcasing your best-selling products, or featuring a behind-the-scenes look at your operations can be enough to drive engagement and increase conversions. Customers love authenticity more than perfection. The key is consistency and creativity. If you run a pet grooming salon, post short clips of before and after transformations. If you own a local bookstore, film quick recommendations of your best-selling books. If you are a restaurant owner, do live cooking demonstrations. The more visual content you create, the more opportunities you give Google to understand and rank your business. And let's not forget Google My Business. Businesses that upload videos to their GMB profiles see up to 40% more inquiries and clicks than those that don't. Leveraging social media to boost local SEO rankings. Social media isn't just about getting likes and shares. It plays a direct role in local SEO success. Many business owners overlook this because they don't realize that Google actually tracks social signals, meaning it pays attention to your business's activity on social media to determine how relevant and authoritative you are. If you are consistently posting engaging, locally relevant content, Google sees your business as more active, which can help improve your rankings. But social media is not just about posting randomly, it is about creating conversations and building a loyal local community. For example, imagine you run a fitness studio in Austin. Instead of just promoting your classes, you should be sharing success stories of local clients, featuring local fitness events, and engaging with other businesses in the area. You could even partner with a local health food cafe to do a giveaway, which will help both businesses gain exposure. Another powerful way to leverage social media for local SEO is by joining and participating in local Facebook groups and online forums. Many cities and towns have community groups where people ask for recommendations. If someone posts, "Does anyone know a good yoga studio in the area?" and your business is actively engaging in these groups, you have a chance to get recommended. Remember, social media is not just a place to promote, it is a place to connect, provide value, and build relationships. The more engagement your business has, the more Google will recognize your brand as an authority in your local area, which leads to higher rankings in search results. And here's something most business owners don't realize: social media is no longer just about brand awareness. It is a direct ranking factor for local search. Google considers social signals, likes, shares, comments, and overall engagement as indicators of your brand's credibility. If people are actively interacting with your content, it signals to Google that your business is relevant and trusted, which boosts your search rankings. But here's the shocking part: less than 30% of local businesses actually leverage social media for SEO purposes. The power of storytelling and local branding. One of the biggest mistakes businesses make is treating content marketing like a sales pitch. People don't want to be sold, they want to connect with real stories. This is why storytelling is one of the most powerful tools in content marketing. When customers feel a personal connection to your brand, they become loyal, repeat buyers. They don't just see you as another business, they see you as a trusted part of their community. A great way to do this is by sharing the story behind your business. Why did you start it? What challenges did you overcome? What impact do you want to make in your community? When you share your journey, people relate to you on a deeper level, and they are more likely to choose you over competitors. Another great approach is to highlight customer stories. Showcasing real people who have benefited from your services adds authenticity and trust. If you own a hair salon, for example, you can feature before and after transformations along with a testimonial from the client. If you run a local cafe, share the story of a regular customer who has been coming for years. Storytelling makes your content feel human and memorable. Businesses that master this skill build stronger relationships, improve customer loyalty, and ultimately drive more conversions. But here's the real kicker: storytelling doesn't just help you connect with customers, it helps you rank higher on Google as well. Google's algorithm is evolving, and it now prioritizes content that engages users and keeps them on your website longer. The longer someone stays on your page reading an engaging story, watching a video, or browsing through your website, the more Google considers your site to be valuable and authoritative. This directly impacts your dwell time, bounce rate, and overall SEO performance. We have covered a lot in this video, and now you know why content marketing is the backbone of local SEO. By creating location-based content using videos and images, leveraging social media, and telling compelling stories, you can outshine competitors, attract more local customers, and grow your business in a way that feels natural and impactful. If you're ready to take your SEO career to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy limited advanced marketing courses via our website www.whattransformacademy.com and continue your journey to a high-paying SEO career. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.